Some people like to go to the gym and pump their muscles. Others like to be tyre fitters and pump up tyres. Then you've got people that work in concrete, and this is where we're getting to, that like to pump concrete. Me, on the other hand, I like to drive trucks and transport pump trucks. So that's what we got today. We got a nice, big, heavy pump truck. We're going to be right on our limits using our Class 1 permit today. So we're going to be sitting at 5 metres high, and I think she weighs about 26 tonnes. So she's got to fill up the bottom deck nicely. I believe it is about 10 metres long. The bottom deck of mine's 10 and a half. So if I need to lean the ramps back a little bit, then so be it. She'll be fine. But she's due in a minute. She's just going to be over there fueling up in a moment, and then we'll drive her up, put her on. Fair bit of rear overhangs, I believe. So we're planned ahead with a fair bit of timber and that type of stuff, that once the ramps get down, we can chock it up a little bit more so she doesn't bottom out on the butt end. All right, let's set up and get her on. Woo! What are you doing? Chalking up here, so we'll see how this one goes anyway. It's going to be a lot of trial and error, I think. So after all that, getting the ramps perfectly on angled and that type of stuff, I then built up all my air and went checked my gauges. Guess what? She was a little bit bloody heavy on the try down the back there. So we ended up, we had to sort of buggerise around here. We shifted it forward, and she's just under my 25 tonne tolerance that I'm allowed there for one divisible item now. So she's going to sit nice and sturdy. Already got out to Arachula now, and she has moved like a dream. So there we go, all done. on our way to Melbourne. Yeah! Woo! In the market for equipment finance, whether it's a truck, a trailer, an excavator, a bobcat, a hobby farm tractor, or even some sort of a wood chipper, give Brady Talbot a ring from Finley's and he'll be able to sort you right out. He comes highly recommended by myself and MK Trucking.